Meghalaya State President of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Ernest Mauri informed that the party will file a complaint against All India Trinamool Congress Aitc to the Election Commission on the launch of Aitc's key manifesto promise called the Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment. Mauri remarked that the week card is a blanket benefit being promised to the women of the Meghalaya irrespective of their economic background. He further observed that there is no mention of how will the TMC propose to raise a fund for the financial inclusion. The scheme launched by the TMC in the state on December 2022 guarantees an income support of 1,000 rupees per month to all the women of the state if they register their names for the week card scheme.
TMC, as I have stated before, it is the party which belongs from West Bengal, and now they claim themselves that they are a national party. They have come with this weekend by promising the women that they will provide 1,000 per month, that is 12,000 per annum. We request the people large in our state, they should not cheat the woman. As you know, we are the material society, we respect the woman, and this type of promise they should not bring in our state.
The members of